guys, welcome to my channel. So if you see this face very first time, hi, my name is Shreya, and this is my first video. I'm really excited. So for this video, I'm gonna style one kurta in 3 different ways. Like, it's amazing. So we are styling one kurta in 3 different ways, in very different ways, just by changing of accessories. तो जो पहला कुर्ता वो था दिस आई ऑर्डर्ड फ्रॉम मिंत्रा एंड द प्राइस ऑफ द कुर्ता वाज 600 समथिंग और मे बी 650 समथिंग. मुझे सेल में मिल गया था तो काफ़ी अच्छा था. So I'm styling this kurta in 3 ways, like amazing. I know wedding season is right in the corner and we don't want to repeat our. I know we girls hate to repeat our clothes, so I have a perfect solution for you guys. So we're gonna styling this kurta in 3 different ways, like in different ways, for different ways. Like the first kurta that I styled with the Banarsi skirt. You can style with any skirt that you have. Even not this kurta, you can style, I guess, any kurta that you have, just by थोड़ा सा फेस्टिव लुक दे. अगर वो दे रहा है तो आप कोई भी कुर्ता उसको आराम से स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे दिया था पिंक बनारसी स्कर्ट आई हैव. इट इज एक्चुअली अ लॉन्ग पेंसिल स्कर्ट जो कि मैंने इस कुर्ते के साथ दिया था. साथ मैंने पेयर अप किया था एक मांगटी का, जो कि एक्चुअली में एक इयरिंग था, जो मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया. एंड दिस लुक्स रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ करीना कपूर, जो उन्होंने बनारसी ग्रीन और पिंक के साथ पहना था. आई विल अटैच द फोटो हेयर and it was looking so pretty and I really want to recreate, but I don't have that kurta. तो मे बी अगर मैं ग्रीन स्कर्ट के साथ ग्रीन कुर्ते के साथ करती तो मे बी हो जाता. सो या ऑल्सो द लुक, आई लव द लुक. इट्स वेरी for the girls who love to overdo with their looks. So I think that is perfect for them. Like, I just have and also have wear my green jutis with that. You can wear any color. I don't have any color. मेरे पास कुछ और नहीं था. Maybe I think golden इसके साथ बहुत ही प्यारा लगता, but I don't have that. So I've just paired it with the green jutis. Plus I have taken this Sportly bag, which is also from Myntra, and it's very cheap, like for 350 rupees. Also I've carried a pink dupatta, but I feel like dupatta की जरूरत थी नहीं उस लुक में. सो ओवरऑल विदाउट दुपट्टा मुझे वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. एंड आई look was very beautiful. I just love this. The second outfit that I have created is also very chic and soft glam look. What I have done is that I have just paired with the black ankle length pants. You can wear with black plazo or black leggy also. I have just paired with the pants, or trouser you can wear it, or if you want to look you can create it with the sharara also. But I've just keep it really simple because I love to go in the shadis. I don't like to go very glam, so I just want to do very subtle. So I've just paired it with the leggy. Also I have paired my old dupatta with this, so you can wear it, or if you want to look you can create it with the sharara also, but I've just keep it with that. And the look was looking very beautiful. Like, I just thought कि इतना अच्छा वो turn out होगा, because I really love that look. बहुत ही simple, बहुत ही glam look है. Plus I have wore the same पोटली bag. मैंने वही पोटली bag फिर से use कर लिया, because it's giving off a golden touch. So overall look बहुत ही प्यारा लग रहा था मुझे. और I think it's very simple to recreate, because everyone has this extra dupatta. Just you can pair it with this and this. Mismatch होना चाहिए. And fashion, I think fashion is something that you can experiment too much. So just experiment with the black and baby pink. And first time I'm just doing this, and it was not baby pink also, it was peach, and it was looking very beautiful. I just love that look. Okay, so yeah, as for the makeup, I've just gone very simple, like the thoda sa, I've just used a bold lip, brown color. It was looking very simple. Also for the bindi, in the first one, in the previous look, I have just paired it with a thoda sa bada wala, and this time I've just paired it very simple and very chotu sa bindi. It was looking very fab. I don't know why, like, a bindi just can change your whole look, guys. Like, if even the size of the bindi matters here. Like, अगर आपको छोटी है, आपका different look आ रहा है, बड़ी है, colorful है, so I think you can experiment with your bindi too. And I think this is very underrated thing, but bindi can actually change your whole look. So it's very important to use the right things in your look. Earrings से लेके anything can just change your look instantly. So you just have to कि क्या आपके look को कमी दे रहा है and क्या आपके look को सही दे रहा है. So it's very important for that. Also, third look that I've created is my personal favorite, because when you have to go for a दूर की शादी, like बहुत दूर की, and you don't just want to go for to just eat. I think the best look is very simple. Just pair this black kurti with white palazzo and this bohemian earrings. Just change your look and also I've changed the bag here. For the bag, I have just gone for very boho and very colorful bag with a tinge of pom-pom. So it just created a very fusion look. Plus it's very simple to recreate. Also I've wore the same bindi. I don't know, guys, I mean, just see my face. Like, I just literally feel that कि bindi आपका पूरा face का look change कर सकती है, especially with the Indian wear. Like, पता नहीं वो लड़कियां कौन है जो बिंदी नहीं पहनती. भाई पहनो. ओके, सो पता नहीं मैं टॉपिक से क्यों भटक जाती हूँ. सो या, एंड बहुत ही प्यारा लुक लग रहा था मुझे, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू रिक्रिएट. मतलब वाइट प्लाजो हर किसी के क्लॉजेट में मिल जाएगा आराम से. यू जस्ट हैव टू सर्च फॉर द राइट कुर्ती दैट यू वांट टू वेयर. प्लस यहाँ पे मैंने बाल खुले नहीं किए. आई हैव जस्ट मेड अ पोनी टेल, बिकॉज मेरे ऑलरेडी बाल बहुत ही zigzag थे क्योंकि मैंने किए थे. सो आई हैव जस्ट टाइड देम एंड इट वाज लुकिंग वेरी फैब, लाइक वो एवरीथिंग. सो इट वाज वेरी इजी टू रिक्रिएट. यू कैन जस्ट डू instant steps. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, so thank you.